So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NHL Rocket Richard Trophy winner futures bet here on Bet365. So once you're into your Bet365 account, go to the home screen, go to the top left, and press on the NHL logo or the NHL icon. Then once you're on this screen, this top bar right here is currently highlighted online. Slide this all the way to the right and press on futures. Then slide this bar all the way down to where it says to win outright, press on that. Then on this drop down, scroll up a little bit to where it says regular season awards and press on that right there. Then if you want to, as I mentioned before, place a futures bet on the Rocket Richard Trophy winner, slide this bar all the way down because we don't want the Calder, we don't want the Hearts, we don't want the Jack Adams, we don't want the James Norris, but what we do want should be this next one, and that is the Rocket Richard Trophy. So if you wanted to, let's just say for demonstration purposes, place a futures bet on McDavid, we'll go ahead and press on Connor McDavid, then go to the bottom left and set your wager, and then to place your bet, press on the button on the bottom right hand side of your screen. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can place an NHL Rocket Richard Trophy winner futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.